This is a Snowflake Projector. What is it good for? Holidays, parties, decoration, inside, outside, wherever about. Let's get a nice close-up look, show you how this product works. We have a user's guide, a base that you're going to get 2 screws and place on a wall, a stake, a gimbal Y adapter, a power supply, the 2 projector, and enough cable to hook up. Take the first gimbal, press in, align, and screw down. If you choose the wall mount, there is a little hook that will lock into place when rotated correctly. If you prefer the floor landscape, you could twist in and lock into the ground. Match like for like up the best you can and screw down. Plug this into an outlet. Demonstrating on the wall, the unit will automatically turn on and throw snowflakes all around. You notice it's circular fashion. You notice some of them have a lower Kelvin and some of them have a brighter Kelvin. Adjust it accordingly. You could back up and have a lot of snowflakes. We'll try our best to give you a demonstration outside against the building and show you what it looks like. Holding up the snowflake. If you see, you can go a great distance in the trees. You look across the street, you can see how giant the snowflakes are. And you can see underneath the awning how beautiful they are and down below. If you're looking to dress up your landscape, show the snowflakes, Christmas time, holiday season, your door, wherever you want to put this light to shine on, the floor, the ceiling, wherever. This product may be right for you for those holiday seasons. It does a great job showing snowflakes around the property. I hope you enjoy your product and enjoy yours when you get it.